Good to have you back. Okay, now in this episode, I will highlight reasonable reasons why you should invest in Bitcoin and some other cryptocurrencies. Stay tuned, hear me out. And I'm convinced halfway through this presentation, you will agree with me that Bitcoin and crypto is the future money, currency. And I will also highlight many more reasons why this digital currency and the technology behind it is a paradigm shift. The necessary revolution in this century. So, stay tuned. Grab a cup of tea, and then subscribe. Meanwhile, let me quickly tell you about Bitcoin. You see, Bitcoin is a digital currency, a peer-to-peer electronic system, meaning no paper money to print or coin to mint like the traditional money known as fiat money. And it is not regulated or controlled by government and banks. In effect, Bitcoin is decentralized, and Bitcoin connects buyers of goods and services through a well-secured keys. And cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that is secured, and many of the cryptocurrencies are decentralized, network-based on blockchain technology. So the likes of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, Solana, etc. are all cryptocurrencies. That said, let me tell you some of the reasons why you should consider investing in this asset class or class. 1. If and when you own Bitcoin or similar cryptocurrencies, you are in control of your money or digital currency, if you like, and it is very secure. Why? Because it is decentralized and secured in a blockchain technology. In effect, the banks and government have no control over your asset and cannot be confiscated like the fiat money. Number 2, your asset is secure in a blockchain technology. How? Let me explain. It means it cannot be duplicated like the fiat money. Why? Because the blockchain is designed to link up previous blocks of transaction in the ledger with a hashtag number. And when the hashtag is generated, it is placed at the end of the blockchain and publicly updated and propagated. Okay, to inform you, blockchain tech has more to offer. Check my video titled Blockchain the Bigger Picture. You'll see the clip at the end of this video. Number 3, Bitcoin and the likes of Bitcoin will replace fiat money in the nearest future. Why? Okay, you see, fiat money, in my opinion, is already losing its ability to function effectively in our global economy because of excess printing of money called quantitativism. And Bitcoin cannot be printed or mint like fiat money. And to inform you, Bitcoin and several reliable cryptocurrencies are now being used or accepted as a means of exchange to buy stuff. And I agree with a school of thought who said now it seems that Bitcoin will do to banking and finance what email did to postal services and what the internet did to publishing. Number 4, Bitcoin and cryptos are better investment than saving your money in the banks. Why? No worries, I got your back. You see, if and when you put your money in the bank, you are losing out a big time. You are likely to realize, say, 0.22% as return on your money annually, and because of inflation, your purchasing power will be reduced. You see, things you used to buy £10 a year before you bank your money would have gone to, say, £11.50, and the interest the bank pays will not cover the price rise. Okay, here's the key. You see, investment in Bitcoin makes it a great investment versus. What do I mean? I mean, Bitcoin, investment in Bitcoin guarantee high returns. More so because of high liquidity associated with Bitcoin. Eventually, it makes a great investment versus. Okay, please hear this. This is a disclaimer. Be aware, Bitcoin and all cryptos are very volatile. Number 5, Bitcoin and crypto technology are much more efficient than traditional banking system. Yes. Stay tuned, let me explain. You see, banking system is centralized, meaning it has a central system like a dedicated server where everything is stored and retrieved. And this centralized system can easily be hacked or manipulated. Whereas Bitcoin and all cryptos are embedded in blockchain technology, a very decentralized system. Let me tell you more about blockchain. You see, blockchain is a digital ledger that is immutable and is secured. It contains information, database if you like, that is available for everyone to access. Again, note this, you will not be able to figure out who owns what. Meaning, blockchain is pseudo-anonymous. So you could say Bitcoin is also pseudo-anonymous. And blockchain is very effective. It gathers, verify, and record data approximately every 10 minutes. And nobody can manipulate it because the blockchain is designed to link with all previous blocks of transaction in the ledger with a hash tag, as previously mentioned. I mentioned this earlier on. Okay, see, in effect, it is mathematically impossible to compromise the security of this network. Besides, banks work safe from Monday to Friday, whereas block tech works 24/7. Number 6, crypto tech is designed to disrupt the financial industry. Essentially, these technologies is set to destroy old monopolies and create opportunity for the masses. It enables the unbanked, these people here, to transact business with a phone and internet without the middleman, the bank. Okay, let me explain with an example. You see Stellar Lumen network, this network here with the ticker symbol SLM enables you to transfer and receive digital currency across the border faster and within minutes, and at a much cheaper rate than SWIFT system. And if you are familiar with the SWIFT system, SWIFT, you will realize that it takes 2 to 3 days before the money gets to the recipient, and you will pay bank fee and exchange fee as well. Number 7, to get started, to start investing in Bitcoin and crypto, you don't need a lot of money or go for training or attend courses as you will do with stocks, bond, index fund, etc. It is easy and pretty straightforward. All you need to do is register with a reliable broker like Coinbase. Yes, you heard me. All you need is a phone and internet connection, and you are good to go. You can even buy as little as £5 Bitcoin and do what is called dollar cost averaging and watch your investment grow. Number 8, with Bitcoin, you will get high returns on your investment. A friend invested £250 in Bitcoin in 2012 and realized £27,000 in 2020. 2012 to 2020. Well, if you ask me, I say it is a good investment. With bank, you can't get as much. Bitcoin is limited in supply, capped, hence cannot be printed like traditional money. The total supply of Bitcoin is capped at 21 million, meaning nobody can reproduce or print more Bitcoin once it reaches these numbers, hence no inflation. And to inform you, big business are now accepting payment in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. You can now book a hotel and flight using Bitcoin And again, we have a Bitcoin debit card. Yes, you heard me. That enables you to pay at almost every store with a debit card. And again, Microsoft, KFC, and McDonald's. Again, you need to hear this. Subway are now accepting Bitcoin. Very incredible. And with Bitcoin, you are less worried about fake money. Okay, now that said, please, I like to stress, this is my opinion, before you invest in any crypto, please, I recommend you watch my video titled 80% of the digital asset will be wiped out, only this 20 will remain, and you will see the clip at the end of this video. It is an eye-opener, and I'm convinced the reasons I mentioned in the video will guide you before you choose and invest in crypto. I hope this video is helpful. Here comes the best part. Subscribe, like, and comment. Remember, the goal is to generate wealth, build companies, and then create jobs. Bye now. See you soon.